Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see CBSE grade 12 exercise 5.2 question 1 to 5. Look at the question number 1. Sin x squared plus 5. Differentiate sin x squared function with respect to x. Sin x squared plus 5. Sin x differentiation is cos x. But here sin x squared plus 5. So how to do it? Cos x squared plus 5. Cos x squared plus 5. Then we have to differentiate x squared. What is x power n? 2x. Nx to the power of n minus 1. So x squared is times 2x. It is better to write 2x cos x squared plus 5. Differentiation with respect to x. First put let y equal to sin x squared plus 5. Then differentiate. dy by dx is equal to sin x is cos x. Here sin x squared plus 5. So cos x squared plus 5 times 2x. Okay. Now question number 2. Cos sin x. Okay, let y equal to cos sin x. What is dy by dx is? Differentiation with respect to x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. But here cos sin x. So minus sin, then put sin x. Don't put minus sin x. Minus sin, because cos differentiation is sin. Cos sin x is minus sin x. Okay. Cos chocolate means minus sin chocolates. Okay. Then differentiate sin x. How to differentiate sin x? So, is cos x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. So better to write always, if you write like this, sin x times cos x, like that it will come. So bring it here, minus cos x, then sin x. Got it? This 2x, this 2x, this cos x is nothing but chain. Okay, it's nothing but chain mechanism. Okay. Next, question number 3. Sin ax plus b. Let y equal to sin ax plus b. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to cos ax plus b times ax plus b. Ax differentiate a. 5x differentiation 5. Kx is k. Ax cos ax plus b times a. This a is the chain mechanism. Chain differentiation. So the answer is a times cos ax plus b. Got it? Okay. Next, copy down question 1 to 3. Okay. Question 4. Secant x. Secant x, what is the differentiation? Secant x tan x. Now question number 4 is secant tan root x. So secant tan root x is now let y equal to secant root x. Secant tan root x. dy by dx is, first differentiate secant x. Secant x is secant x tan x. Secant tan root x, then tan root x. Okay. Now we differentiated secant only. Then again we have to come tan root x. Tan root x, tan x, what is the differentiation? Secant squared x. Secant squared root x. Then root x differentiate half x. Root x is what? X power of. X power of, how to differentiate? Nx to the power of n minus 1. So half x to the power of minus 1. Half minus 1 is minus half. Half x to the power of minus half. Okay, we can little simplify. X power minus half, nothing but it is 1 by x power of, it is 1 by root x. Okay, now I am writing here 1 by 2 root x, then secant squared root x, then secant tan root x, then tan root x. Okay, good. Copy down. Now question number 5. U over V. What is the differentiation? Let y equal to, if y equal to uv, u over v means dy by dx is v u dash. U dash is nothing but differentiation of u minus u v dash divided by v squared. Dy by dx. V is what? Cos cx plus d. This is v. What is u? Sin ax plus b. Differentiation of u? Cos ax plus b times a. Minus v u dash minus u sin ax plus b, v dash cos cx plus b d differentiate. Cos x is minus sin x. Cos cx plus d minus sin cx plus d. Then cx plus d, if you differentiate c, the people will mostly commit this mistake. Put it in bracket. Otherwise, it will look like cos cx plus d, cos ax plus b times a minus sin ax plus b. Minus will come. It is not minus. You have to multiply it. Very careful. Most of the students are committing these mistakes. Divided by cos squared cx plus d. Okay. So, how to do it? Cos cx plus d, cos ax plus b times a. I am splitting numerator two contents, divided by cos squared cx plus d. This cos squared cx plus d for both the contents in the. Then this minus will be plus. Sin ax plus b sin cx plus d times c over cos squared cx plus d. In the trigonometry, try to simplify as much as maximum. This square, this will cancel. So cos cx plus d, denominator is having cos squared cx plus d 2 times. So 1 will be cancelled. So what will happen? Cos ax plus b times a divided by cos cx plus d. Okay, copy down until now. So what will happen? Cos ax plus b times a over cos cx plus d. Here sin ax plus b. Here there is no cos cx plus d in the numerator, but sin cx plus d is there. Then we can simplify. Sin x over cos x is tan x. Here sin cx plus d over cos cx plus d, it is tan cx plus d. So sin ax plus b okay, this sin cx plus d, this cx plus d, cos squared cx plus d, 1 will be cancelled. 1 instead of cos squared cx plus d, now the denominator will be only cos cx plus d. Sin ax plus b tan cx plus d times c over cos cx plus d. We simplify it as much as maximum. Still we can. Cos cx plus d is in the denominator. What is 1 over cos x? It is secant x. 1 over cos cx plus d, secant cx plus d. Take it out. Secant cx plus d. This is going up times a cos ax plus b plus secant cx plus d sin ax plus b times c, then tan, copy down until now. Then tan cx plus d. Okay. Then take out secant cx plus d. A cos ax plus b. The step is not required. You can stop with the previous steps. Sin a plus c sin ax plus b times tan cx plus d. Finish it. That's all. Copy down. Here we learned sin x if you differentiate cos x, cos x if you differentiate minus sin x, tan x if you differentiate secant squared x, secant x if you differentiate secant x tan x, square root of x if you differentiate half x to the power of minus of you can do it 1 over 2 root x. Okay, then sin x over cos x is tan x. 1 over cos x is, then it is a trigonometry sign. Sin x over cos x is tan x. 1 over cos x is secant x. Thank you for watching my videos. Wish you all the best. Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths Exercise 5.2, question number 6 to 8, finding d by dx. Look at the question number 6. Cos x cube times sin square x power 5. Cos x cube. Okay. It is a product rule. U v dash plus b u dash. Cos x cube is, right, cos x cube, it is a y, so dy by dx is equal to cos x cube, you keep as it is, sin squared x power 5. This sin squared x power 5, we have to do 3 differentiation. Okay, first is square, then sine, then x power 5. 2 sine x power 5. It is not 2 sine squared. It is x power n if you differentiate nx to the power of n minus 1. This 2 sine power 2 minus 1 is 2 sine x power 5. Then sine if you differentiate, most of them will put cos x. It is wrong. Cos x power 5. We are differentiating not sin x. We are differentiating sin x power 5. Then x power 5 if you differentiate 5x to the power of 4. Then x if you differentiate it is 1. Because we are differentiating with respect to x. Then sin squared x power 5 keep as it is. Cos x cube if you differentiate, it is not cos cube x, it is cos x cube. Cos x cube is minus sin x cube. X cube is 3, if you differentiate 3x square. Here people will commit mistake, it is cos cube x. No, it is cos x cube. Another mistake they will commit, they will put minus like this. It is wrong. Just put bracket because it is a v u dash, not v minus u dash, v u dash. So cos x cube. Now we will simplify. 5 2 5 and 2 is 10, or 5, this 5 I write it here, then times 2 sin x power 5 times cos x power 5. Write as it is. Then 5 x power 4 5 x power 4, this 5 x power 4 I written here, then 2 sin x power 5 cos x power 5 I written, then cos x cube minus 3 x squared sin x cube sin squared x power 5. 5x power 4 sin 2x power 5. cos x cube minus 3x squared sin x cube sin squared x power 5. Understand? Copy down. Question number 6 we finished. This is sine 2x formulas. What is sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta equal to sine 2 theta. Now 2 sine x power 5 cos x power 5 is sine 2x power 5. Question 7. 2 square root cot x squared. Differentiate y equal to 2 square root of cot x squared. dy by dx is equal to 2. Cot x squared, square root of cot x squared is cot x squared to the power of cot x squared power of minus of cot x. If you differentiate what? Minus cosecant x squared minus cosecant x squared. Then x squared if you differentiate 2x. So minus 2x cosecant square x square. Cot x if you differentiate, cot x squared if you differentiate, cosecant tan x is secant squared x. Cot x is minus cosecant squared x. Minus cosecant squared x squared. Minus cosecant squared x squared. Divided by cot x squared power minus of, if it comes to the denominator, cot x squared to the power of, we can write it square root of cot x squared. Next, cosecant squared x squared, we can write it 1 over sine squared x squared. I will write it here. Minus 2x. This cosecant squared x squared I am writing sine squared x squared. Then cot x squared I am writing cos x squared over sine x squared. Got it? Okay. Sorry, cosecant squared x squared? Yes. Sine squared x squared. Copied on until now? Okay. Now this sine squared x squared I am writing minus 2x divided by this sine squared x squared I am splitting sine x squared sine x squared. Sine squared x squared I am splitting sine x squared sine x squared. 1 sine x squared I am keeping as it is. Another sin x squared, take care, another sin x squared, what I am doing, bringing to square root. So I am putting this square. Then cos x squared over sin x squared. This cos x squared sin x squared is this one. Okay. Now this one and the square will be cancelled. I am writing clearly. Minus 2x sin x squared. This sin x squared, I write it. This sin squared x squared I am splitting. Sin x squared, sin x squared. Then cos x squared divided by sin x squared. So what will happen? This will cancel. Then copy down until now. Then minus 2x divided by sin x squared. Now sin x squared cos x squared is there. Sin theta cos theta, if you find out, just to multiply with root 2 here. Already root is there, so here I put root 2, here I put 2. So to make it equalize, numerator also I am putting root 2. So what will happen? Minus 2x over sin x squared over sin 2x squared. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. We have to make it square root. So answer is minus 2x sin x squared divided by minus 2x over sin x squared times square root of sin 2x squared. Great. Copy down until now. Here sin squared x squared, we are splitting sin x squared and sin x squared. As we put one sin x squared inside the square root, we are putting sin squared x squared. Okay, sin squared x squared square root is sin x squared. Just I will write it here. Very simple. Sin squared x squared. This I am splitting sin x squared, sin x squared. Okay. Then sin x squared. This sin x squared is becoming like this. Okay. Okay. Now go to the question number 9. Cos root x is a very simple one. dy by dx is minus sin root x, x root x, if we differentiate of x power minus of minus sin root x divided by 2 root x. That's all. Question number 9 is very simple. Not 9, question number 8. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths, Exercise 5.2, question number 9. Look at the question. prove that the function f is given by f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1. X is real number. It is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. If it is differentiable, then left hand derivative equal to right hand derivative if it is differentiable. If it is not differentiable, left hand side derivative and right hand side derivative should not be equal. Here, what it is? Here it is not differentiable. Okay, what is the formula for left hand side derivative? Limit h tends to 0 minus left hand derivative. F of a minus h minus f of a divided by minus h. This is left hand derivative. Equal to right hand derivative is limit h tends to 0 plus f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h only, not minus h. For left hand derivative, f of a minus h. For right hand derivative, f of a plus h. For left hand, it is minus h denominator. Right side, right hand, it is plus h. Okay. Now, before seeing this question, we will see the concept one by one. This is the main concept, and another concept is modulus of x means what? What is meant by modulus of x? It is minus x when x is less than 0. It is plus x when x is greater than or equal to 0. These two concepts, understand that one? Okay. Okay. Left hand derivative is f of a minus h. Now, look at the question. F of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1. It is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. So, a is equal to 1. Okay. Now, we will go to the left hand derivative. Left hand derivative, what are the things we need to find? F of a minus h. Then f of a. Okay. What is left hand derivative means it is a negative. The x is less than 0. So, it is nothing but minus x minus 1 minus x minus 1 x is less than 0. Left hand means x is less than 0 minus x minus 1. So, it is 1 minus x minus x plus 1. It is 1 minus x. Okay. So, 1 you put f of x is now instead of x you put a minus h. Instead of x we are going to put a minus h. This is a normal functions. So what will happen here? A is what? Here a is 1. Got it? Clear? Left hand derivative means it is x is less than 0. So modulus, whatever it is modulus, put minus sign and I expanded. Okay. Now f of a minus h I am finding. A is 1 minus, instead of h I am putting the function 1 minus x I have to put, not x minus 1, because x is less than 0. This is the main point. So what will come? 1 minus 1 plus h. So f of a minus h is h. Then what is f of a? F of a is 1. A is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Instead of x, I am going to put 1. Instead of x, I am going to put 1. Here, instead of x, I put 1 minus h. Okay. Now we will go to the formula. Left hand side derivative equal to limit h tends to 0 minus approaching 0. F of a minus h is what? H minus f of a 0 divided by minus h. So h by minus h, sir, h by minus h cancel, it will be it is minus 1. Got it? Okay. Now copy down. F of x is modulus x minus 1. We are going to find left hand side derivative. Left hand side derivative means minus f of x. Minus x minus 1 is 1 minus x. Okay. Now f of a minus h. It is in the formula. Formula is f of a minus h, left hand side derivative. F of a minus h minus f of a and divided by minus h. Okay. Now right hand derivative RHD. What is RHD? Limit h tends to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a divided by h only, not minus h. Okay, here a plus h, h. Okay, how to do it? Limit. What is f of a plus h? A plus h is a is equal to 1. Modulus is, it is right hand side derivative, so modulus of x minus 1 is x minus 1 only. So instead of x, we have to put 1 plus h. Because here a is 1. 1 plus h minus 1. We finish this one. Minus f of a is 0 divided by h. H by h equal to 1. So left hand side derivative LHD is minus 1, right hand derivative minus 1, right hand derivative is plus 1. So left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative. So f of x modulus of x minus 1 cannot be differentiated at x is equal to 1. Got it clear? Okay. Copy down. Just this is a right hand derivative. This is a left hand derivative. Left hand derivative is a minus h, f of a minus h. Modulus of x minus 1 will become minus x minus 1, so it is 1 minus x. Okay. Good. Thank you for watching my videos. Keep on watching and leave your comments, particularly for this question. This question I took a bit more time to explain to you all. I hope you get it. Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Marks Exercise 5.2, question number 10. Look at the question. Prove that the greatest integer function defined by f of x between x is between 0 and 3 is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 and at x is equal to 3. Okay, f of x is x. Greatest integer function means 2.1, the greatest integer is 2. 1.9, the greatest integer is 1. That's all. The left hand side we have to see it. Now come here. Left hand side derivative. Now let us see at x is equal to 1. Left hand side derivative is limit h to 0 f of a minus h minus f of a divided by minus h. Here a is 1 minus h minus 1 divided by minus h. So what will happen? Cut. Minus h. No, before that, this 1 minus h, the greatest integer is 1 minus h means 1. Because it is the greatest integer we are seeing. 1 minus h means h value, let it be 0.1. So what will be there? 1 minus h is 0.9. 0.9 means always we have to see the left hand side. 0. 0 minus 1 divided by minus h. So 1 by h tends to 0. So it will be infinity. Okay. For right hand side derivative, copy down. For right hand side derivative, limit h to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. 1 plus h minus 1 divided by h. So what will happen? 1 plus h is 1.1. For example, if it is h is 0.1. So 1 minus 1 by h, 0 by h is 0. H tends to 0, h tends to 0. Okay. So the left hand side is infinitive, right hand side is 0. So it is not defined. Left hand side is infinitive, right hand side is 0. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So it is not differentiable. Got it? LHT not equal to RHT. Because infinitive is not equal to 0. Now let us see. Instead of x is equal to 1, let it be x is equal to 2. Left hand side derivative, it will be 2 minus h. A is 2. 2 minus h will be, it will be 2. 2 minus h is 0.1, so 1.9. 1.9 means this will be 1. 2 minus h is 1. 1 minus 2. So minus 1 by h. So it will be minus 1 by 0. So it will be minus infinitive. Okay. The previous here 0 minus yes, minus 1 minus h is minus 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 1 by h is 1 by h one by h, because minus minus will be cancelled. 1 by h, h value will be, h is 0, so 1 by 0 is infinity. So for x is equal to 2, left hand side is infinity. For right hand side, same, 2 plus h minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0 by h, 0. Right hand side is 0. So same case, left hand side is infinity, right hand side is 0. So at x is equal to 2, it is not differentiable. Got it?